Hello, in front of me I have Suunto 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu, like this. Now, let's scroll through the shortcuts menu by using the touchscreen or by using the physical buttons. Select the settings icon and then you can press the middle button or tap on it to enter. Now, select the general option in settings. Here, scroll down, find the option called Backlight and select it. And here you should see the brightness option. Tap on it or press the middle button. And right here we have three different brightness levels. We have low, medium, and high. Select the one you like and then tap on it or press the middle button to confirm. As you can see, the screen got dimmer a lot. And we can also change it maybe too high because it's too dim, like this. So that's how you change it. And then once you're done, you can press and hold the middle button a couple of times to go back or swipe right on the screen, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.